Hi, sir.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Maganda umaga sa inyo lahat.
Interview muna tayo, sir.
Sana lang.
Ganda lang.
Officially received. Ito yung aking letter complaint for the disbarment of Vice President Inday Sara Duterte Carpio. Kaya it has been officially received by the Supreme Court as shown by the stamp pad bearing the date November 27, 2024. Ayan.